study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning found that both jumping rope for 10 minutes or jogging for 30 minutes can produce similar strength gains. However, jump rope variations requires some serious skills. The question is whether the individual should run or jump rope because each activity has its own set of pros and cons. High-intensity jumping could be a good alternative to running, but it's important that the specific goals are considered before deciding which option will work best for them. If you do these two workouts without proper form or equipment such as shoes, then these might cause some trouble for your joints. If running outside, then you will need a very good running shoe, which is costly. And if you are running indoors, then you will need a good treadmill. Skipping rope needs a good shoe and some open space and a jump rope. Thus, skipping rope is less demanding than running. Running can burn more calories than skipping rope, but jumping rope is a great way to tone your legs and improve endurance. Jumping rope fast can burn 421 calories in half an hour. Jogging uses 295 to 315 calories in the same time. Both of these workouts provide cardiovascular benefits. If you are doing a HIIT workout combining running on a treadmill and jump ropes, then you should get the best from both the world. Running and skipping rope both are easy to do. These are very basic moves that all healthy humans should be able to do easily. Jump rope variations demand more coordination though. With all those variations of skipping is more fun than running. Data suggests that 10-minute jump rope sessions were more efficient than 30-minute jogging sessions and also worked out better in terms of burning calories. Combining them into your workout will give you the best of both worlds. Doing both will strengthen your body and improve your stamina to the levels of an athlete. And whatever you do, do it carefully. Know when to stop since these can damage your knees.